The Innovation for Defense Excellence and Security, or IDEaS program, is the new Department of National Defense Innovation Program managed by the Assistant Deputy Minister of Science and Technology. It is an access to innovation program designed to encourage Canadians to help solve some of the toughest defense and security challenges. Most Canadians are eligible. The innovator in their basement, the small industry, the big industry, the not-for-profit organizations, academia and municipal, territorial, and provincial organizations. The only ones who cannot participate are federal civil servants. Innovators own the intellectual property they develop under this program, and the Department of National Defense gets a license to use the IP for its own purpose, but cannot exploit it commercially. IDEaS has developed 8 elements that provide D&D with the flexibility to access innovators and have them apply their expertise, regardless if they have a concept, a prototype, or a near commercial product. IDEaS has 8 elements, 5 funding elements, and 3 enabling elements. We'll describe each in the context of the IDEaS process in the next slides. So the IDEaS process begins with the Department of National Defense or Canadian Armed Force priority and its associated hard problem. Those hard problems are transformed into innovation challenges, which are published to the innovation community. Innovators are engaged through the various IDEaS elements to identify potential solutions that can be integrated to create an improved defense capability. IDEaS is broken into several program elements. So let's go through the 3 on the lower end of the solution readiness level. Competitive projects is a call for proposals, and it's made using multiple challenges. Innovators are invited to submit a simple proposal of how they would solve the challenge, 5 to 6 pages with 3 to 4 tables. The selection process is done quickly and efficiently, and many projects may be started. So up to 10 to 12 challenges, or 10 to 12 contracts per challenge in some cases. The contract process has multiple phases. The first is from 0 to 6 months with up to $200,000 funding. The second is from 0 to 12 months with up to $1 million in funding. And there are also follow-on phases for more funding as well, and linkages to other IDEaS elements if applicable. The contest element is an award to provide monetary prizes for demonstrating a potential solution to a challenge. Again, a call for proposals is made with a challenge. No proposals are required, and subscribed innovators will be given a chance to demonstrate how they solve this challenge. Awards will be made based on the successful completion of that particular challenge. And innovation networks. They are meant to bring attention of defense and security challenges to existing research networks or create new networks to address research gaps. As with all program elements, a call for proposals is made with a challenge, and innovators are invited to develop a network to work on this challenge for a few years. In this case, in the case of innovation networks, it's mandatory to develop a team to submit a proposal, at least 3 entities with a university lead and at least 5 people, bringing on board industry, academia, or others. The network needs to be established for at least 3 years, and recipients can receive up to a few $1 million. Again, as mentioned at the beginning of the presentation, the eligibility list is very broad for organizations across Canada. And the IP rules are fairly straightforward. You keep the IP, but the Department of National Defense needs to ensure it has access to it, and that's all. And finally, my recommendation is to put your name on our mailing list to stay connected with our processes and our calls for proposals. You can get added to the mailing list by clicking on the link on the main page that says join our mailing list. Thank you.